Okay, my name's Alexis Taylor, and I will be doing the baking soda and vinegar rocket experiment. So you're going to start off with a empty bottle, could be soda or water. Then I have my baking soda here, paper towel, and my vinegar. So I'm going to start off with putting some baking soda inside a paper towel. Just like that. Didn't really measure it out. And then I'm going to roll it, skinny enough so it can get inside the bottle. Ooh. Twist the ends. So it's nice and tight. Put it here inside the bottle. Make sure you do this outside and not inside the house. And then I'm going to add my vinegar. I'm not really measuring here. As you can see, it's already reacting with the vinegar and baking soda. I'm going to shake it together. As you can see, the bottle is expanding. Shaking. And let's see what it does. Maybe I did not add enough. I'm scared to open it. Ooh! And there we go.